We are in Windsong Ranch again, and we're getting ready to tour this 3415 square foot house. And this thing has been marked down $70,000. And this is the model.
Yeah, it's the same floor plan.
I like the two-story design right here. How it's just, the entryway is just pronounced. You've got the sneak peek into the wrought iron upstairs, which is gonna have your game room and media room. Down here to the left, you've got a full bathroom.
Now the lights are out in part of the house, so it's going to be dark-ish in some of the house, so just let you know.
We're giving it to you raw. This is what we do. We're not influencers, we're real estate agents with a camera. So let's be honest.
However, I did go by the model, and I did take some film of the actual model, so I'll put that up.
Patrice gets extra credit. Give her a thumbs up, guys.
Yay.
Give her a thumbs up. All right, let's go over here. Now, this is kind of unique. You've got the snack closet that is off the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then over here, we got the garage space.
And a lot of space right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then a bathroom.
It's a nice bathroom. And then you've got an office.
And then an office. And I love these glass doors. I like how it's in the middle of the home, but it's tucked away, so it's pretty private. So I like that. I like how it's a designated space too. It doesn't have a closet or anything like that. I know that that's nice to have, I guess, but I like having a designated office. Now here we are in the kitchen, and again, if you've seen our other videos, Normandy does it right. You know, they give you the hardware. These drawers are sliding real nicely. You've got a 5-burner cooktop. I like the vent hood. Wish there were lights, but
it shows how much natural light is actually in this house.
Exactly.
So there you go.
Exactly. That's what.
But it's really a good sized kitchen.
No, it's a good sized home. This is 3,500 square feet thereabouts. You've got your dining area. Now this is a bigger area too, so I like how big. You could put a good sized table right here.
Well, you know what I was gonna say, what I was thinking is it feels more separated because the ceiling is lower right here and then it goes into the family room. So it doesn't feel so stacked on top of each other in this one.
Another great point by Patrice. All right, now look at this. Is kind of unique because this is a family area, but look at it's wired for surround sound.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
You can watch some really good movie nights in here.
Yeah, you've got a media room too upstairs. So.
Oh, that's true.
Now you've got your electronic fireplace. This is kind of what I was telling you guys in other videos. You know, if you don't have a fireplace, this is easy to put in and build out. Nice TV. So far I'm liking this. Now let's go out here. This is really what it's all about, right? This patio leaves a lot to be desired.
It's narrow.
It's narrow. I mean, you couldn't put 2 chairs on this and still walk.
Good.
You could?
Yeah, you're crazy.
I don't know. But here you got a 61-foot lot, so plenty of size. What I like about the 61, obviously you're getting that 10 feet of extra space, but really where you're gonna see it is on the side, so you're not touching your neighbors as much. You know, you're still pretty close. I mean, we're not on acreage by any means out here, but
because it's 61 by 130.
Yeah.
So you get some good space back there, some space in between you and your neighbors.
and guys, we're in Windsong Ranch.
I know.
You know, you're gonna be spending a lot of time enjoying all those amenities, that 600 acres of just open green space, walking trails, mountain bike courses, 18-hole disc, not even talking about the lagoon.
Hard to think of the lagoon when it's freezing cold outside, but it's there.
Well, we all know it's not gonna be freezing outside in the summer. I can guarantee you that.
That's
Now,
true.
here we are in this oversized primary bedroom. I caught myself.
It's a good size, yeah. It's real big.
Huge.
And of course, we love when the ceilings are up a little more like
Yeah,
that.
put a couple beams there or something like that, just really accent it. And then you come into your ensuite. I like how they put this chevron pattern here. You've got split vanities, love that. Like the standalone soaking tub. And look at the shower is nice size as well.
Yeah, this is a great size bathroom. And then what about that closet?
I don't know. I leave that up to you, Patrice.
It's a nice size closet. It's, you know, it's decent sized. So
It'll get the job done?
It'll get the job done.
All right. So I think it's just upstairs, huh?
Yeah.
Well, let's head up. Love the stairs. You know, it's not carpeted. I like how they did this.
And then you come up, and immediately to the right is this nice sized game area.
Yes, something to think about, guys, on something like this with this game room.
Him and his noise.
Yeah, you're gonna have noise pollution. If it's very active here and you're trying to watch TV down there, it can be noisy. That's all I'm gonna say. But
Go in your media room.
let's go in the meeting room.
That's where the noise, you know, if people are here, you go in your media room.
Wow, look at how big this is. It's a good sized room. Obviously wired for surround sound. Got your TV, does not have the ceiling mount for your projector, but again, you can put, with your speakers right here, you can put a nice 100-inch TV right here, real nice.
I don't think it would take too much to wire it
it
in the
won't.
ceiling too if you needed to.
No, obviously not,
But with those TVs nowadays,
yeah, they're
man.
so cheap. All right, as we come into this room, you've got a nice little walk-in closet and decently sized room right here. And this thing has its own ensuite.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's real nice.
Some really nice windows coming in. And then you've got, yeah, good little bathroom right there.
And then we come over here. We've got a big junk closet right here and then another bedroom. Holy cow. This room's not overly big, but the closet is almost the same size.
Yeah, the closet's huge.
That is a monster.
This does seem like maybe a 10 by 10.
Yeah, I mean, it feels like a smaller room, but I mean, the closet's enormous.
Yeah, it is really big.
All right, and then you come down here. This is attic space, not really walkable or anything like that. And then you've got a bathroom right here.
All right, for your guests and whatnot.
Yeah, I almost wish that they would have made this like one big, you can almost make this one big like secondary primary, you know, if you wall this
that's
off
true.
and that sort of thing. So anyway, there you go. Guys, this thing is marked down $72,000. This thing is a great value in Windsong Ranch, one of the top neighborhoods in this area. If you guys are interested in this or any other houses that we show or doing any real estate needs in 2026, make sure you hit that dream home form. We are gonna reach out to you personally. We aren't any robots. We don't have some giant big team that's gonna be giving you a call and soliciting you. We don't chase you down. That's why you hit the dream home form. We'll set up a Zoom and then we'll get you going and find you your dream home here in North Texas. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.